There's Giant 16 again, and this will be the first run in of the 3 Parkend Wagons there. So I am boarding them to the train centre. I've done that little side in now for one with the local rope. Pick them up. Get right now. They look very good with the local. It'll probably be my GWR Terrier pulling them most of the time now for a small freight. They look very good. Just move the camera so you see a train come by. Here he comes. There they are. As you can see, I ain't got a side in free of it, so I can't go any farther. But I'll have a lot more trains running tonight to get this track working properly, because it's brand new. All the track has been brand new. I have not used any old track from my old layout, well, apart from that track over in the corner there. But all the rest is absolutely brand new. And another thing I've worked on, there's what's for the Parkend Wagons. As you can see on the side, it says, see if camera focus, 7 plank indoor wagons, Parkend triple pack, produced exclusively for Totally Trains. The main line, if you notice, is no longer concrete track, it is just normal wooden sleepers. There's concrete track in that box. I didn't like it much, I didn't think it looked nice. I thought if I buy something like that, it looked a lot better. And probably all of you are going to hate me for doing that now, but I reckon it looks a lot better. Got to do some more work over here. Got to get the engine showed, which is the Magna New Orby one. That'll probably be after the station's done. Let's put him back in there. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.